Negotiation a delicate dance of interests. Success requires more than sharp tactics. Enter the adaptive mindset. This flexible approach is crucial in our ever-changing world. An adaptive negotiator embraces change. They adjust strategies, navigating complexity with ease. This mindset fosters resilience, essential for handling setbacks. By embracing uncertainty, negotiators can thrive in any situation. Consider a business deal on the verge of collapse. An adaptive negotiator remains calm. They analyze the situation, identifying new paths forward, perhaps a compromise, a revised offer, or a creative solution. This adaptability unlocks possibilities, turning challenges into opportunities. In a world of constant change, the adaptive negotiator holds a distinct advantage.
Creative problem solving, a cornerstone of adaptive negotiation. It's about thinking outside the box, generating innovative solutions that benefit all parties. This approach requires curiosity, a willingness to explore. By asking what if, negotiators can uncover hidden potential. Imagine a labor dispute at a manufacturing plant. Both sides are entrenched. A creative negotiator might suggest profit sharing, aligning worker incentives with company success. This novel solution could break the deadlock. Creative problem solving transforms negotiation from a battle of wills to a collaborative search for solutions.
Negotiations rarely follow a straight path. Obstacles arise, testing even the most skilled. Resilience, the ability to bounce back, is paramount. It's about maintaining effectiveness despite setbacks. Resilient negotiators view challenges as learning opportunities. Picture a real estate negotiation hitting a roadblock. The seller suddenly raises their asking price. A resilient negotiator remains undeterred. They acknowledge the new challenge, adjusting their strategy accordingly. Perhaps they counter offer, highlighting the property's flaws, or they explore alternative options, finding a similar property at a better price.
Traditional negotiation often focuses on winning at all costs. An adaptive mindset embraces a different approach, win-win. This collaborative strategy seeks mutually beneficial outcomes. It recognizes that long-term success lies in building strong relationships. Imagine two companies negotiating a strategic partnership. A win-win negotiator prioritizes understanding. They delve into each other's needs and concerns. This fosters trust and paves the way for a mutually beneficial agreement. The result, a stronger partnership poised for long-term success.